Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Strinova game is crashing or crash on startup on your PC. Guys, first solution is try this command on leave crash on startup. So first open up the Steam, then just click on the game which is Strinova, then just click on the gear icon and go to your game properties, and here you will see the launch option, and in the launch option just type -dx11. Once you type this command, now launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. If not, then just type here -dx12. Now launch the game, then check if your game is still crash on startup. Then type here -d3d11. Now launch the game, then check if your game is still crash on startup. Then just remove the launch option and just uncheck the box of Steam overlay while in game, then launch the game, then check. Still crashing, then just go to the install files, click on the verify integrity of game files. It will take some time, so just wait for it, then simply relaunch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Still crashing, then just make a right click on your taskbar and you will see the task manager. Open it. Guys, once it opens, just click on the startup application you are seeing on the top and just disable all the background applications you are seeing here, because when you start your PC, these applications start automatically and causing a lot of CPU or RAM usage and interfere with your game and cause your game crash or the freezing issue. So make a right click on all of these that are useless and just disable these. Then restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. If your game is still crashing, then go to your Windows search and type here updates and open it. Guys, simply update your Windows and also make sure that your graphic card drivers are up to date. So once you update your Windows or graphic card drivers, restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. Now try all of the solution and I hope one of these fix your problem, and if yes, please consider liking this video and bye bye.